So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you latest important updates about Chilkai coin, its price prediction 2025, and its Binance exchange listing. Because for instance, last couple of days, this meme coin is trending on CoinCo, CoinMarketCap, and all other social media platforms. And you can see last 7 days, this meme coin is pumped by more than 1400% here. So this is amazing performance from this meme coin, and already $480 million market. So it's possible that we can see Binance exchange listing soon here. So it is be very very special. Very important. You have to just for the computer here. So first of all, you can see Chill Guy's name, 195 number market ranking. Other Solana ecosystem meme coin, very new meme coin, $0.49 current price. It pumped almost 10% here, and $480 million market already. $202 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is awesome. Nearly 1 billion coin supply, all in circulation. This is awesome, friends. And because it's a Solana ecosystem meme coin, so that's why this meme coin has massive hype right now. There's another dog theme meme coin in Solana ecosystem. We are more than 7,000% pumped in soul time low, and its all time high was just 41 minutes ago. So recently, this meme coin has hit its all time high here, and a little two zeros. Okay, two zeros within just 10 days of its launching. So this is awesome performance from this meme coin, and that's the reason. That's why maybe we can see Binance listing here. If friends, so you can see Gadget.io has listed, MEXC has listed, CoinW has listed, and CoinX is listed, Phoenix is listed, and many other exchanges is also listed to this coin. Here you can see, friends, Bitmart is listed, and Crypto.com has listed this coin, XT.com. So lots of central exchange listing already done for this meme coin, but still there's no Binance yet. So I think as this meme coin has awesome performance right now, so it's possible that we can see Binance listing also, friends. So you can see trending coins. Okay, Ethereum is trending, Kokino is trending, and Madcoin is trending. Recently, I shared this meme coin with you, and Chill Guy. Okay, friends, so you can see Chill Guy. This meme coin is right now trending on CoinCo, and since I think last 1 week, this meme coin is continuously trending on CoinCo. So that's the reason. That's why it's possible that we can see this Binance listing or another massive pump in this meme coin. Because you can see, friends, we are right now only 15% down the all time high that was just 40 minutes ago. So this is awesome performance from this meme coin. 130 holders. So friends, you can see 130 holders, so this is looking good, and these are the top holders of this meme coin. I can see, friends, Gatorade has highest holding of his coin, that is just 2.3% here. So all other wallets has less supply, so this is good. MEXC holding, okay, 1.1 of supply. Crypto.com holding just 1% of supply. Radium, Solana, Dex, okay, that holding 0.8% of supply. So that's why there's no any value issue have fair launch tokens. So that's why this meme coin has massive hype in crypto market. First, I can see 33,000 followers. Okay, more than 33,000 followers already enjoying this month, November. Within just 1 month of launching, this meme coin again 33,000 holders. Okay, so this is awesome. Community is very active. I can see, friends. Just 3 hours ago, they have posted about this meme coin. Another tweet, okay, about 3 hours ago. Another tweet about 4 hours ago. And I can see, friends, likes. Okay, you can see huge likes for this meme coin. So no doubt tokens looking good, and community is very active right now. If a website is also looking good, okay, see Chill Guy, and you can copy his contact address from their official website, and you can check out all further details here. You can buy this meme coin, okay, through Phantom Wallet. Also, they have provided you the all details of buying this meme coin on dexes like Jupiter, like Radium, and these are the some central exchanges where this meme coin is already listed. As I'll show you these exchanges, and maybe we can see some more central exchanges here. So friends, now my price prediction about meme coin is that its market is already no doubt $480 million here. Okay, this is huge market, but as this meme coin is already trending on CoinCo since last 1 week, as trading volume is more than $200 million, and this meme coin has already killed two zeros within just 14 days of its launching. So these are something that are very unique about this meme coin, and that's the reason. That's why maybe we can see its major central exchange listing also. Maybe Binance can soon list this meme coin, and if this meme coin will list in Binance exchange, then definitely we can see its short-term market up to 1 billion or maybe 2 to 3 billion dollars here in short term. But definitely in long term, we can see this meme coin up to $10 billion here. Long term means after 8 to 12 months from now, this meme coin has potential to be the next $10 billion market meme coin or maybe more. in short term, if Binance will list this meme coin, we can see its market up to $2 billion. But in long term, okay, definitely this meme coin has potential to be the next $10 billion market meme coin. But friends, do not buy this meme coin after watching this video. But this video is no any financial value video. If you wanna purchase this meme coin, wait for a few days, maybe we can see a good jump in this meme coin. Then you can buy this meme coin around $300 million market, or less if you find this meme coin, okay, less than $300 million market, then that will be the best entry for this meme coin. What's your price prediction about this meme coin? You can must comment down below.